How to change graphic settings in Metro 2055. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In Metro 2055, if you are looking for your game to run smoother or look better depending upon your device, here is how you can adjust it. First things first, launch open Metro 2055 game on your device, whichever device you are using. It can be an Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the game's lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the settings menu, select graphics from the top. Inside graphic quality, select your graphic settings you want to adjust or change to. If you select auto, it'll select the graphic settings for the game depending upon your device capacity. If you are using a low-spec device, then you can select the low or the medium option under graphic quality. If you have a high-performing device, you can choose high option. After making the selection, you can head back to the lobby screen and check your game's graphic quality. So that is how you tweak or change your graphic settings in the Metro 2055 game in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.